The name of this chapter is the best system present in the world. Before you read, what you should know. See, there are some dates and or periods of time in history of the world that are so significant that everyone knows and remembers them. ସମସ୍ତେ ସେଟା ଜାଣିଥାନ୍ତି ହେଲା. The story you will read mentions one such date and event ହେଲା. ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ଏଇ ଷ୍ଟୋରିରେ କୁହାଯାଇଛି. ଷ୍ଟୋରି ମେନସନ୍ କରୁଛି. ଓକେ, the story you will read, this total is the subject. Okay, mentions, tells one such date and event. A war between the British and the Germans in 1914. Can you guess which war it was? Okay, it was a war ହେଇଥିଲା in 1914 between the British and the Germans. अच्छा, I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport. A roll top desk. Roll top desk. Okay, the man said it was early 19th century and a oak. I had wanted one, but they were far too expensive. So I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport. Bridport रे ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଖିଲି ଗୋଟେ ଦୋକାନରେ ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ କଣଟେ ଦେଖିଲି ଗୋଟେ ଡେସ୍କ ଦେଖିଲି. ଓକେ, ବ୍ରିଡପୋର୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗା ସେଇଠି ଗୋଟେ ଦୋକାନ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ସେଇଠି ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି ହେଲା. ଏ କାହାକୁ ଦେଖିଲି? ଏଇ ଡେସ୍କଟା ଦେଖିଲି. The man said, ଯୋଉ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଟା କଣ କହିଲା? ଯେ ବିକୁଛି ଯେ it was early 19th century. Okay, and oak ରେ ତିଆରି ଏଟା oak ର କାଠ ହେଲା. I had wanted one, but they were far too expensive. ମୁଁ ଚାହିଁଲି ଗୋଟେ କିଣିବାକୁ ହେଲା, expensive ଥିଲା. Expensive, you understand? This one was in a bad condition. The roll top in several pieces. Okay, one leg clumsily mended. ଗୋଟେ leg କୁ ତାକୁ ମରାମତି କରାଯାଇଛି. mended, mend ଜାଣିଛୁ ତ? mend ମାନେ ମରାମତି କରିବା. clumsily ଭଲ ମାନେ ପୁରା ତାକୁ ଏମିତି ମରାମତି କରାଯାଇଛି clumsily, right? ମାନେ କ୍ଲିୟର ନାହିଁ ସେଥିରେ ହେଲା. ତାକୁ ଯେମିତି ବହୁତ ଜାଗାରେ ମରାମତି କରାଯାଇଛି. ଓକେ, scorch marks all down one side. Okay, some scorch mark, burn marks କିଛି ଅଛି. scorch mark ମାନେ burn mark ଅଛି. all down one side. Okay, it was going for very little money. I thought I could restore it. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ନେଇକିରି restore ମାନେ ତାକୁ ଠିକ କରିଦେବି ହେଲା. restore ମାନେ ତାକୁ ରିପେୟାର କରିଦେବି ହେଲା. repair, I will restore it. Okay, ବୁଝିଲା? I had wanted one, but they were far expensive. ଆଗରୁ ସେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା ଯେ ଏଇଥିରୁ ଗୋଟେ କିଣିବ ହେଲା. Okay, it was going for very little money. ତା ମାନେ going for ମାନେ ଏଟା କିଣିବ, ଏଟାକୁ ବିକା ହଉଥିଲା ହେଲା. ଏଟା ବିକା ହଉଥିଲା ହେଲା. it was sold, it was going for very little money ହେଲା. I thought I could restore it. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ନେଇକିରି କିଣିବି, ତାକୁ ରିପେୟାର କରିବି. It would be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. But I wanted it. I should have it. It is a risk. देखो नौ नौ जिनसे पुणी भांगी वाला बेसी हाँ so I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. ହେଲା ତେଣୁ ସେ କିଣିକିରି ତାର ୱାର୍କରୁମକୁ ରଖିଲା ହେଲା I began work on it on Christmas Eve. Okay, Christmas ର just ପୂର୍ବ ଦିନ ସେ ଏଟା ଉପରେ କାମ କଲା ବୁଝିଲା I removed the roll top completely. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. Okay, से जोटा ऊपर टॉप टाकू से बाहर कर दला ना ता ड्रॉयर भी बाहर कर दला the okay the vinyl a thin layer of plastic or decorative wood on furniture of a cheap wood एटा लगा जाए हैला प्लास्टिक वुड गोटे लगा जाए हां ए जेंती हमर कोटा जो लागेनी ऊपर गोटे सनमाइका सेटा हैला vinyl had lifted almost everywhere हेटा उठी जाई सब बडे हैला सनमाइका had lifted लिफ्ट माने जानछु तो उठी जाई अच्छा it looked like water damage to me water तापर पड़ीगिरी डैमेज कर देछि हैला both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk okay खाली फायर ताको ये करनी जोटा हमें देखिले जे ऊपर कोन बर्न ये देखा होतला फायर करनी खाली वाटर भी ता काम करछि बुझला नहीं अच्छा टेकन देयर टोल ऑन दिस डेस्क माने टेकन देयर टोल माने से तांकर डैमेज करछन वी हैव डैमेज हैला द लास्ट ड्रॉयर वाज स्टॉक फास्ट हैला लास्ट ड्रॉयर वाज स्टॉक फास्ट yes stock last drawer short tight stock माने चिपकी जाइतला बुझ परछ ना नहीं तेणु stock fast ता माने सेटा चिपकी जाइतला रही जाइतला I tried all I could to ease it out gently मु चेष्टा कली I tried it tried all I could to ease it माने से केमती आराम रे आसीबो to ease it out तो आराम रे केमती बाहर in the end I used brute force तापरे पूरा जोर टान हैला I brute force to means to wild force strong force lekho brute force I struck it sharply with the side of my fist. Eta mo fist. Okay. Yar fist janchu to? I struck it badly. The side of my fist. Okay. Struck janchu to? Kahar past tense. Strike. Very good. Strike. Struck it sharply with the side of my fist and the drawer flew open बाहर आइला पूरा हैला to reveal a shallow space underneath okay तेणु से बाहर आइला पूरा जोर कौन देखा गला मते to reveal मानछु तो to show जानछु reveal a shallow space underneath ड्रॉटा बाहरला बेले गोटे शालो स्पेस माने बेसी गभीरिया नु शालो स्पेस शालो जानछु शालो स्पेस अंडरनेथ ता तळे थिला शालो स्पेस छोटिया ये हैला ए ସେଇଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡ୍ରୟର ସିକ୍ରେଟ ଡ୍ରୟର କାରଣ ତା ତଳେ ଡ୍ରୟର ତଳେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡ୍ରୟର ରହିବ କି ଏଟା ସିକ୍ରେଟ ଡ୍ରୟର ଦେयर वाज समथिंग इन देयर ସେଟା କିଛି ଥିଲା I reached in and took out a small black tin box ତା ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ tin box ଥିଲା ମୁଁ ବାହାର କଲି took out ହେଲା cello taped ତା ଦେହରେ ପୁଣି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି cello taped to the top of it cello taped ହେଲା मरा है top of it was a piece of line note paper okay line note paper line टणा है तापर लिखा है ए खाता भलिया हला line note paper and written on it in shaky handwriting कि गोटे भलो हैंडराइटिंग लिखिनी थरथरी लिखिनी लिखिची हला कौन लिखिची जिम्स लास्ट लेटर okay received January 25 2000 1915 to be buried with me when the time comes James এটা কোন লেখা আছে in shaky handwriting James last letter received 19 received January 25 1915 okay এটা হলা James last letter ये लेटर टा रिसीव हेतला एबे टू बी बरीड विथ मी मो संगे एटा बरीड हबो कि ओटा लिखि छी अब व्हेन द टाइम कम्स हला आई न्यू as I did it that it was a wrong of me to open the box okay से बॉक्स ऊपर ए लेटर लिखा है ये गोटे ये रे लिखा है so I knew as I did it that it was wrong of me से किंतु खोलिबा को चेष्टा करछि बुझ परछो खोलिया को चेष्टा करछि as I did it that it was wrong of me मोर पई एटा खराब हो मोर हला to open the box but curiosity got better of my scruples माने मु जो भाबुतली फीलिंग that make you hesitate जे मु एटा करबिनी हैला किंतु बेसी जानिया को इच्छा हला तार सेटा ताको जॉय करे क्यूरियोसिटी ताको जॉय करी गला दैट से विन करी गला क्यूरियोसिटी गॉट बेटर ऑफ माने वन माय स्क्रपल्स राइट मो स्क्रपल्स को से वन करी गला माय फीलिंग को वर्क हैला रादर मु जो भाबुतली करबिनी बोली ता कर देली आज I did it हैला it usually does एमती संप्राय हुए हैला बुझ परछो inside the box there was an envelope the address read address लिखा हैतला कोन Mrs. Jim McPherson 12 Copper Beaches हैला ब्रिडपोर्ट डॉर्सेट जगह ना हैला से एनवेलप रे लिखा हैतला पुणी भितरु पड़े पड़ो लेटर पुणी आई टुक आउट लेटर बाको बाहर कली अनफोल्डेड इट खोलिली हैला इट वाज रिटन इन पेंसिल एंड डेटेड एट द टॉप हैला पेंसिल ले लिखा हैतला डेट है दिया हैतला 26 डिसेंबर 26 1940 question answer guda tume karibo if you know it properly then you can do what did the author find in a junks of board text okay chalo okay let us continue this one also yes or no yeah so the letter ta bartan se पढ़ुछ okay dated at top 26 December 1914 dearest Connie I write to you in a much happier frame of mind because something wonderful has just happened okay it's wonderful है जाइए that I must tell you about at once माने थर के कह देबी ओके मु तते आज कहदेवी है we were all standing to in our trenches yesterday morning, Christmas morning. Okay, we were all standing to in our trenches. Yes. So standing to, we are all standing to in our trenches. They were taking two positions. They are taking up positions. Okay, in our trenches. I am telling. In our trenches. Trenches माने long deep ditches. खोला है जी गातो. Right? Ditches. So in the ground where soldiers, okay, hide from the enemy. So trenches रे हमें position नहीं थिलु. We are taking up positions. Okay. In our trenches yesterday morning. आम जो डिच भितर जो से ट्रेंच भितर जो अच्छी आम पोजिशन नहीं क्रिसमस मॉर्निंग दिन इट वाज क्रिस्प एंड व्हाइट ऑल अबाउट ओके इट वाज क्रिस्प एंड व्हाइट ओके किछि नथिला सबआडे सुनसान थिला अंडरस्टूड एंड ऑल अबाउट चारियड आज ब्यूटीफुल ए मॉर्निंग आज आई हैव एवर सीन बढ़िया सब थिला पाग भल थिला आज कोल्ड आज फ्रस्टी आज ए क्रिसमस मॉर्निंग शुड बी ओके कोल्ड एंड फ्रस्टी थिला फ्रस्टी माने माने जो आइस रे थी अच्छा हां आई शुड लाइक टू बी एबल टू टेल यू दैट वी बिगन इट I should like to be able to tell you that we began it. हमें अच्छा कौन हला कौन कला अच्छा से कहूची but the truth I am ashamed to say you हमें सेटा ट्रास्ट कलु I began it हमें से जिनसटा आरंभ कलु but I am ashamed to say मते लाज लागुची right is that freeze began it माने freeze गोटे पिला से ही आरंभ कर दला okay first someone saw a little flag waving from the white flag जने देखला from the trenches opposite रे भी trenches अछि हला सेठी से देखला गोटे व्हाइट फ्लैग फ्रॉम द ट्रेंचेस अपोजिट से पटे देखला हला देन दे वेयर कॉलिंग आउट जोर ताको डाकिले टू अस फॉर सेमान डाकिले सेपटू हला अस फ्रॉम अक्रॉस नो मैन्स लैंड हला अक्रॉस नो मैन्स लैंड मझरे नो मैन्स लैंड अछि से आरपटू डाकिले हला सेमाने हला एनिमी माने हैप्पी क्रिसमस टमी हैप्पी क्रिसमस सेमान डाकिले हैप्पी क्रिसमस हला व्हेन वी हैड गॉट ओवर द सरप्राइज ओके हमको लागुला सरप्राइज गोटे कौन फ्लैग टे आनलेनी अच्छी सम ऑफ अस शाउटेड बैक सेम टू यू तेणु वी गॉट ओवर द सरप्राइज हमको सरप्राइज लागिलानी राइट बुझिपारछ सम ऑफ अस शाउटेड बैक आमे भी तांको कॉम्प्लीमेंट कलु आमे भी तांको जणेलु माने ये कलु रिप्लाई देलु हैं कौन रिप्लाई देलु सेम टू यू माने हैप्पी क्रिसमस टू यू प्लीज हला सेम टू यू हैं सेम टू यू हला ये टॉमी एपटे स्ट्रीट अच्छा आई थॉट दैट वुड बी दैट वी ऑल डिड समझते but then suddenly one of them was up there in his great coat and waving a white flag okay सेतेबेले suddenly one of them तांको तरफ गोटे कौन कला was up there से आसिक ऊपर छिड़ा गला है of their in his grey great coat. ओके ताकू देखिए फ्रीज के फ्रीज है ए नेम और जर्मन सोल्जर फ्रीज ए कॉमन वर्ड इन जर्नल नेम. अच्छा टॉमी के ए कॉमन इंग्लिश मैन बुझिपारछ इंग्लिश और जर्मन को भितर नेम जर्मन इंग्लिश नेम यूज टू रेफर टू ब्रिटिश सोल्जर्स गोटे दिखाई माने रेफर कराई फ्रीज कहले जर्मन आउ टॉमी कहले सो ब्रिटिश. हाँ ये गोटे मझे गला आई थॉट दैट वुड बी दैट माने दैट वाज ऑल माने ओनली वी आर दैट वाज द एंड ऑफ द मैटर दैट मीन्स वी आर जस्ट ग्रीटेड टू ईच अदर. ओके दैट इज ओवर आई थॉट. ओके but what happened let us see. Okay so what happened so se asiala ta pindikiri and waving a white flag धरिक हलौछु. Okay waving जानचो don't shoot lads से ऊपर पळे आछि someone shouted and no one did के अच्छा shoot के करना भी. Then there was another freeze up on the parapet. आउ गोटे फ्रिज पुणी पळे आसला ऊपर को. ओके आउ गोटे पुणी पळे आसला ऑन द parapet पुणी से ऊपर को पळे आसला parapet माने गोटे ऊपर को जगह and another पुणी another आउ जणे पळे आसला हैला keep your heads down I told the men हैला मु किंतु कहली मु उठिली मु कहली एते जण कोन ऊपर आइलणी कीप योर हेड्स डाउन आई टोल्ड द मैन इट्स ए ट्रिक. तो कहला हमें ट्रिक करछो कि हम आगे बट इट वाज नॉट. वन ऑफ द जर्मन्स वाज वेविंग ए बॉटल above his head. It is Christmas day. Tommy से कहूला we have snaps. तामें से कहूची German drink made from grain. ओहो तांग पाखरे अच्छी सेटा. We have sausage. Okay sausage also a type of that drink. We meet you. Yes. Okay we meet you question पचारछि हमें भेटिया कि by this time नहीं yes कहनी yes भेटिया कि ता तरफरु से कहउछि. ओके by this time there were dozens of them बहुत पळे आसलेनी dozens of them walking towards us हमार को across no man's land भी क्रॉस कलेनी and not a rifle between them. ओके तांको भीतर पाखरे भी गोटे राइफल भी नहीं. ओके राइफल माने रिवॉल्वर ना तांको पाखरे नहीं. लिटिल प्राइवेट मॉरिस वाज द फर्स्ट स्टॉप. ओके राइट लिटिल प्राइवेट मॉरिस गोटे नाटे. ओके प्राइवेट मॉरिस वाज द फर्स्ट स्टॉप. कम ऑन बॉयज what are we waiting for? And then there was no stopping them. I was the officer. I should have stopped them. मु तो ऑफिसर अछि कि ताऊ स्टॉप मु स्टॉप करथिले मारथान. I should have stopped okay them there and then किंतु मु स्टॉप करिन. I suppose but the truth is that it never even occurred to me I should. मु भी केबे भाबिन जेमती मु तांको स्टॉप करिया कथा बोली. All along their line and hours हैला I could see men walking slowly towards one another. So all along their line and hours तांको लाइन आम लाइन अछि खंडे बाट रहइबो निश्चित. I could see men walking slowly towards one another. grey coats, so khaki coats meeting in the middle. Okay, grey coats somewhere ସେମାନେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଗ୍ରେ କୋଟ୍ସ, ଆମେ ହେଉଛୁ ଖାକି କୋଟ୍ସ, ମିଟିଂ ଇନ୍ ଦି ମିଡିଲ୍। ଇଏ କିନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା ଆଣ୍ଡ ହଁ, ତ ସମସ୍ତେ ପଳେଇ ଆଇଲେଣି ଏପଟ ଲାଇନକୁ, ତାଙ୍କ ଲାଇନ ସେମାନେ କ୍ରସ୍ କରି ଆସିଲେଣି, ଆମେ ବି ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲେଣି। ଖାକି ମାନେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉଟା ପୋଲିସ ମାନେ ପିନ୍ଧନ୍ତି, ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ ମାନେ ଟିକେ ଧଳା, ହେଲା ସେଟା ବି ପୋଲିସ, ହେଲା। ସୋ ଆଇ ୱାଜ ୱାନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦେମ୍। ମୁଁ ବି ଅଛି ଆସିଲିଣି ମିଡିଲ କୁ, ଆଇ ୱାଜ ପାର୍ଟ ଅଫ ଦିସ୍, ମୁଁ ବି ମଝିରେ ଅଛି, ହେଲା ଆସିଲିଣି। ଇନ୍ ଦି ମିଡିଲ ଅଫ ଦି ୱାର वी ୱେଆର ମେକିଂ ପିସ୍। ଆରେ ୱାର ଚାଲିଛି, ଆମେ ଆସିକିରି ମାନେ କୁଣ୍ଡା କୁଣ୍ଡି ହେଲୁଣି ଆସି, ହେଲା। You cannot imagine, dearest Connie, my feelings as I looked into the eyes of the freeze officer। ତାକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି, ଏଇ ଚିଠିରେ ସେ ଲେଖିଛି କନିକୁ, my feelings as I looked into the eyes of the freeze officer। ତାକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିଲି, who approached me, ସେ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ୍ କଲା ମତେ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ସେକ୍ କରିବାକୁ, hand outstretched, hand ବଢ଼େଇଲା, outstretched, hands off, he said, gripping my hand warmly and holding it, I am from Dusseldorf, I play the cello in the orchestra। Okay, cello ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟୁଜିକାଲ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରୁମେଣ୍ଟ, ଓକେ, ଅର୍କେଷ୍ଟ୍ରା, ଅର୍କେଷ୍ଟ୍ରାରେ ମୁଁ ବଜାଏ, ସେଲୋ ବଜାଏ, ଗୋଟେ ଭାଓଲିନ୍ ଭଳିଆ ଗୋଟେ ପେ ବଜେଇବ, ହେଲା। କ୍ୟାପ୍ଟେନ୍ ଜିମ୍ ମ୍ୟାକପରସନ୍, I replied, and a happy Christmas to you too। Okay, Captain Jim McPherson, I replied। Okay, so ମୋ ନାଁ ହେଲା ଜିମ୍ ମ୍ୟାକପରସନ୍, ମୁଁ କହିଲା ମ୍ୟାକପରସନ୍, ମୋ ନାଁ, I replied, and a happy Christmas to you too, I am a school teacher from Dorset। ସେ କହିଲା ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଟିଚର ଥିଲି ଡରସେଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦି ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡ, ହେଲା। ସେମାନେ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ, ସେମାନେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଜର୍ମାନ, ହେଲା। ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଥିଲି। ଡରସେଟ୍, ହି ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ଡ, ଆଇ ନୋ ଦିସ୍ ପ୍ଲେସ୍। ଓ ସେ ଡରସେଟ୍ ବୋଲି ଜାଗାଟା ଜାଣିଛି, ଆଇ ନୋ ଭେରି ୱେଲ୍, वी shared my room, we shared my room, ration and his excellent sausage। ओके, ସେ କହିଲା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି, ସେ କହିଲା, ତାପରେ we shared my room, ration and his excellent sausage। so ମୁଁ ରମ୍ ରଖିଥିଲି, ରେସନ୍ କିଛି ବୋଧେ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ରଖିଥିଲା, ଆଉ ହିଜ୍ ଏକ୍ସଲେନ୍ସ ସସେଜ୍ ବି ରଖିଥିଲା, ହେଲା। ହିଜ୍ ଏକ୍ସଲେନ୍ସ ସସେଜ୍ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଡ୍ରିଙ୍କସ୍ ଆଣିଥିଲେ ଆମେ ସେୟାର କଲୁ, वी shared, ହେଲା। and we talked, କୋନି ପୁଣି କୋନି କହୁଛି ଟକ୍, କୋନି how we talked, ହେଲା। କୋନିକୁ ସେ ପୁଣି କହୁଛି, he spoke almost perfect English, ସେ ଜର୍ମାନ ହେଲେ ବି ବଢ଼ିଆ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିଲା, but it turned out that he had never set foot in Dorset। କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଏଇଟା ଆମେ ଜାଣିପାରିଲି ମୁଁ, ହେଲା, that he had never set foot, ସେ କେବେ ବି ସେଠିକି ଆସିନି ଡରସେଟ୍, never even been to England, ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡ ବି କେବେ ଆସିନି, ହେଲା। he had learned all he knew of England from ସ୍କୁଲରେ ସେ ପଢିଛି, ବହିରେ ପଢିଛି, and from reading books in English, ସେ ବହି ପଢିକି ଜାଣିଛି ଡରସେଟ୍ ବିଷୟରେ। ଓକେ, his favorite writer was Thomas Hardy। his favorite book, Far from the madding crowd এটা তাকে ভাল লাগে লোক so out there in no man's land we talked of Bath okay Bathsheba and Gabriel Oak and Sergeant Troy and Dorset ଆମେ କେତେ କଥା ଗପିଲୁ ହେଲା Bathsheba somebody's name some person's name Gabriel Oak Sergeant Troy okay and Dorset am a place okay he had a wife and one son but acha and Dorset ei lokota ja sange mu kotha ali he had a wife and one son born just 6 months ago এই যে সনটা জাস্ট এবে জন্ম হয়েছে 6 months as I looked about me there were huddles of khaki and grey everywhere सबआड़े थिले there were huddles माने many crowd of khaki and grey everywhere all over no man's land smoking laughing smoke भी ସେମାନେ କରୁଥିଲେ laughing talking drinking waiting Hans Wolf Andes shared what was okay Hans Wolf and I Hans Wolf se lokota okay Hans Wolf se lokota and I shared what was left of your wonderful Christmas cake Connie okay so Hans Wolf and as I shared what was left of your माने your wonderful Connie ताको पठेइतिला केक टा पठेइतिला wonderful Christmas cake Connie पठेइतिला केक टा सेमान ताको ये नेइतिला खाइछन he thought them okay marzipan okay marzipan a sweet covering on the cake made from sugar egg and almonds almond पड़े गोटे बादाम भलिया okay so सेवडा से देखिला was the best he had ever tasted सेटा ताको भल लागला marzipan टा जेटा ऊपर पड़े हैला केक ऊपर I agreed we agreed about everything and he was my enemy there never was a Christmas party like it Connie को से कहूँ ये भले Christmas party मोर केबे हे न लाइफ हैला okay then someone I don't know who brought out a football कोठु आनला से हैला great coats were domed in piles to make goal posts great coats माने जोड़ा पिंधि दिले coats ओके रसन पिंधि दिले ताकू लगे गिरी से गोटे were domed माने पकेले सब गोटे पर गोटे पकेले in piles गदा करके to make goal post and the next thing we knew it was Tommy against Fridge Tommy is a English name English name and Fridge is a German it was Tommy against Fridge out in the middle of no man's land became the football field okay Hans Wolf and I looked on and cheered hello clapping our hands and stamping our feet okay clapping our hands stamping our feet ये सब हमें कलु okay to keep out the cold as much as anything so हमको cold भी होतला to keep out हमें हाथ फात बाड़े होता क्लापिंग आवर हैंड्स कलु stamping our pen to keep out the cold ଆଉ ଲାଗିବନି ଯେମିତି ହେଲା। There was a moment when I noticed our breaths mingling in the air between us. So breath भी हमारे मिस जाउछि, we are in the air sometimes breath जोरे निश्वास नेले एटा हबो खेलिले हबो निश्चित हम पाखे जे थिबो ता संगे। सो इन द एयर बिटवीन अस breaths mingling in the air, हम breath ता breath आछि हम breath आछि, तो air रे it is mingling meaning mixing up in the air between us, कोड मिक्स होछि air। He saw it too and smiled. Okay, से देखला जिमी मैकाफे इटा गोटे किए, अच्छा ये कौन लिखा है जी? ओके, he said, oh जिम मैकाफे, अच्छा, he said after a while मते कहला स्माइल हैला एवं मते डाकिला। I think से कौन कहला ना, I think this is how we should resolve this war. Okay, we should resolve this war, a football match. No one dies in a football match. Okay, no माने आमे रिजल्व करिया कोन ना, आमे एटा को ये करिया गोटे हां रिजल्व दिस वार, a football match, no one dies in a football match, no children are orphaned, no wives become widows. Yes, so I think this is how we should resolve this war. Okay, yeah, so ये war को हमें करिया केमती resolve this war, केमती हमें ताको ये करिया resolve माने कौन हमें ताको resolve okay, resolve माने हमें ताको केमती हमें ताको देखिबा, right, how will we think it, resolve माने कौन सी solution दवा, a football match, resolve माने we can say that हमें ताको अच्छा, no one dies in the football match, no one are orphaned, ओ से फुटबॉल संगे को तुलना करूँ वार हैला। I would prefer cricket, I told him, then we Tommies would be sure of winning हैला। Tommies माने वाला क्रिकेट खेलते probably, we laughed at that and together we से गोटे मजारे कहला आम तो भल क्रिकेट खेलु आम एथर क्रिकेट रे आम सब जितबू है आमर वार भाया हम रियल वार भाया एंड टुगेदर वी वाच द गेम है आम देखिल खेलुला sad to say Pony Freeze won a football match रे से जीति गले है 2 goals to 1, but as Hanswolf generously said, है से generously kindful एग्री कहला कौन कहला से our goal was wider than theirs, so it was not quite fair. But as Hanswolf generously said, से Hanswolf कौन कहला our goal was wider, our goal than theirs, तामाने आम गोल पोस्टा वाइडर थिला बोली तुमको बेसी गोल हे गला बोले से फायदा जेनरस हला बुझपाछ तमर छोट अछि हमर से लोकटा कहला जर्मन लोकटा हम छोट री तुम बेसी गोल दे पाइलो हमर बड़ थिला हम बेसी गोल हला से मजा कहला सो इट वाज नॉट क्वाइट फेयर से बोली तेणु आमे तुमको बेसी गोल देनु हला। The time came and all too soon when the time came and all too soon Then the game, sorry, when the game was finished, the snaps and rum, okay, uh, sabu, and the sausage had long since run out. Sabu sorry, run out, and we knew it was all over. I wished Hans well and told him I hoped he would see his family again soon. ହେଲା ହାନ୍ସକୁ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ୱିଶ୍ କଲି ୱେଲ୍ ବୋଲି and told him I hoped he would see ହାନ୍ସ ଯାଇକରି ତା ଫ୍ୟାମିଲିକୁ ଦେଖିବ ହେଲା ମାନେ ଶତ୍ରୁ ହେଲେ ବି ତାକୁ ଭଲ ବେଷ୍ଟ ୱିଶ୍ ଦେଉଛି ହେଲା and fighting would end and we would go we all go home fighting ସରିଯିବ ଆମେ ଯିବା ହେଲା ଯେବେ ବି ହେଲେ ସରିଯିବ ସେମାନେ ତ କିଛି କରିପାରିବେନି they are just officer ସବୁ ଏଇଟା country ଭିତରେ ହେଉଛି କେବେ ସରିବ they don't know okay I think that is what every soldier wants on both sides କେବେ fighting ସରିବ Hansel said କହିଲା take care Jim McPherson I shall never forget this moment nor you ସେ କହିକିରି she saluted and walked away ପଳେଇଲା from me slowly. Unwillingly, I felt he turned to wave just once. ହେଲା ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ତାର ଯେମିତି ଇଚ୍ଛା ନଥିଲା ସେ କିନ୍ତୁ ବୁଲିଲା I felt ମୁଁ ଭାବିଲି ଯେ ତାର ଯେଉଁ ଇଚ୍ଛା ନାହିଁ he turned to wave ସେ ବୁଲିକିରି ପୁଣି wave କଲା ହାତ ଟାଟା କଲା just once and then became one of the hundreds of grey-coated men drifting backward towards their trenches. तापर से ହେଇଗଲା ଗୋଟେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଟ୍ରେଞ୍ଚ ଭିତରକୁ ପଳେଇଲା that night back in our okay dugouts ଏଇଟା dugout ଯେମିତି କ୍ରିକେଟରେ dugout ଥାଏ ଗୋଟେ shelter ଥାଏ ବସନ୍ତି a shelter for soldier made by digging a hole in the ground and covering it. So that night back in our dugouts, we heard them singing a carol. ସେମାନେ ସେପଟୁ ଗାଉଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ carol and singing it quite beautifully. Okay, ବଢିଆ ଗାଉଛନ୍ତି. It was okay, still a night, silent night. ହେଲା our boys gave them a rousing chorus of while shepherds watched ଆମେ ବି ଗାଇଲୁ ଏ ଗୀତଟା ସେମାନେ ସେ ଗୀତ ଗାଇଲେ ଆମ ତେଣୁ gave them a rousing chorus ଆମେ ଦେଲୁ ହେଲା ସେମାନେ ବି ଗାଇଲେ ଆମେ ବି ଗାଇଲୁ we exchanged carols for a while and then we all fell silent ତାପରେ ଶୋଇପଡ଼ିଲୁ ହେଲା ଏମାନେ ଗାଇଲେ ସେମାନେ ଗାଇଲେ we had our time of peace and goodwill ହେଲା ଆମର ଥିଲା we had ଆଗରୁ ଥିଲା our time of peace and goodwill ଆଗରୁ a time I will treasure as long as I live okay we had our time of peace and goodwill the time I will treasure as long as I live okay no ସେ କହୁଛି ଏଠି ସେଠିକି ଯେତେ ଦିନ ରହିଲେ we had our time of peace okay ସେଇଠି ଆମେ ପାଇଲେ we had our time of peace and goodwill okay ସେଠି ଥିଲା ସେଇଠି ଯୁଦ୍ଧରେ ଥିଲେ ବି ମାନେ ବର୍ଡରରେ ଥିଲେ ବି we had our time of peace and goodwill ସେଠି ଥିଲା okay a time I will treasure as long as I live ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ମୋ ମନରେ ସାଇତି କରି ରଖିବି okay dearest Connie my Christmas time never sorry Christmas by dearest Connie by Christmas time next year this war will be nothing but a distant and terrible memory Okay, I know from all that happened today how much both armies long for peace. ହେଲା ସେମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ long ମାନେ want. Okay, they all want for peace. Okay, we shall be together again soon. Okay, ଆମେ ହଁ ସେ କହୁଛି କୋନି ପାଖକୁ ଯିବ ବୋଲି ହେଲା we shall be I am sure of it ହେଲା ତ ସେ କହୁଛି by Christmas time next year this war will be nothing but a distant and terrible memory ସେ କହୁଛି ସରି ଯାଇଯିବ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଇୟର କୁ ଏଟା ନଥିବ ଏ ୱାର ହେଲା ଏ ୱାର ସରି ଯାଇଯିବ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ମେମୋରି ହେଇଯାଇଥିବ କାରଣ ଏତେ ଦିନ ରହିବନି ବୋଧେ ୱାର ଆମ ଭିତରେ ଯେମିତି ହେଲାଣି ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ କୋଅପରେସନ ହେଲାଣି ନଥିଙ୍ଗ ବଟ୍ ଏ ଡିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଟେରିବୁଲ ମିନ୍ ମେମୋରି ସେତେବେଳକୁ ଗୋଟେ ମେମୋରିରେ ଆମେ ଭାବିବା ହେଲା ଆଇ ନୋ ଫ୍ରମ୍ all that happened today how much both armies long for peace ତେଣୁ ଏଇଥିରୁ ଜାଣିପାରିଲି ମୁଁ ଆଜିର ଯୋଉ ଇଏରୁ ଯେମିତି ହେଲା what happened today ଜାଣିହେଲା ଯେ ଆଉ ବେଶୀ ଦିନ war ରହିବନି ହେଲା we shall be together ମୁଁ ତୋ ପାଖକୁ ଯିବି again soon I am sure of it ହେଲା ବୋଲି ସେ କୋନିକୁ ଲେଖିଲା your loving Jim ओके बोली ये चिट्ठीटा से लिखिथिला understood so you will also do this exercise so tomorrow you are having a lot of things ये तक करियो